Good afternoon, everyone. Wanted to show you how to take care of your concussion certification through NFHS Learn. Today's agenda has a link to NFHS Learn. There's also a step-by-step tutorial on how to accomplish that. However, I'm going to make this video to show you how to sign up for the first time on NFHS Learn in order to get certified. Click on nfhslearn.com. You're going to go to register and you'll put in your email. I would recommend that you put in your student email so that you can remember exactly what your credentials are. So I'm going to sign up. And say I'm not a robot and hit next. And I'm going to fill in the required information for me. If you do not know this information, you can just fill in the school's address. I did here. Okay. And it's going to ask you for a school name or organization. You can put in Riverside High School in Lancaster. You're going to put in California. Okay, United States was a default. And then if you don't want to put in your phone number, you can put in the school's phone number and then just leave the sport the way it is. Okay. It's going to ask you what name should appear on all completion certificates for your account. Please put in your name first and last so that when you turn it in, I know exactly who it is. What is your primary position? You can say that you are a student and will be taking this course in California. The answer is yes. Okay, you're going to hit finish. And now you should be ready to go. Okay, you are going to go to the courses. And in the search bar over here, you can click students if you want, just to show all the student ones. But you're going to put in concussion or start writing a concussion and it will show up. You are going to select the state, which is California, and you're going to order the course. And you will be completing this for yourself. So you hit continue. It's going to bring you to this shopping cart. You'll see that it's out of $0, so you're just going to check out. And you are going to click that you agree, and you are going to click continue. And now you're going to go to the course. Okay, here's the course here for you, and you just hit begin course. So you're going to go through the process, and at the very end, it's going to have a course evaluation. You're going to do the course evaluation, and it will give you a certificate. And that certificate you're going to download. There is an option to download at the end, and you're going to upload that to your Canvas account. Okay, there's a step-by-step instructions on how to log in if this video did not show you everything that you needed. However, it should have been pretty comprehensive. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Okay, once you've completed the course, you're going to go back up to your dashboard. And when you click dashboard, it'll bring you back to this page. You'll go to My Certificates. And under your certificates, it will show all the certificates that you have earned. You're going to go to Download. It will show your actual certificate with your name and the date of completion. And you will simply just click Download. And I would save it as concussion and press save. And that's how you save your concussion certificate. You can upload it to Canvas or whatever system you're using in order to make sure that it is saved.